In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page breaks in Google Forms. Whether you're creating a survey, quiz, or form, organizing your questions into different sections can make it easier for respondents to navigate. So let's dive in and see how it's done. First off, make sure you're logged into your Google account and head over to Google Forms. If you don't already have a form that you want to work on, you can easily start from scratch by clicking on a blank form and beginning your edits. For those who have an existing form they'd like to modify, simply open it up to start incorporating those page breaks. Once your form is open, look over to the right panel where you'll see various editing options. Near the bottom of this panel, you'll find the Add Section button. Clicking this button will allow you to create a new section, effectively adding a page break between different parts of your form. This is particularly useful if you want to separate different topics or question types and enhance the flow of your form. Now that you've got your second section added, take a moment to add content to it. You can select and move text or questions from your original section to the new one. This reorganization helps maintain the logical progression of questions and contributes to a smoother experience for the respondents. If your form requires further segmentation beyond just one extra section, you can repeat the process. Simply click the Add Section icon again, and another section will be added. There are no limits to how many sections you can create, so feel free to divide your form into as many sections as you need to accomplish the structure and clarity you're aiming for. After you've structured your form to your satisfaction, it's always a good idea to preview it before finalizing. Click on the small eye icon at the top right of the screen, which will open a preview of your form in a new tab. This allows you to see exactly how your respondents will experience it, ensuring the sections flow as intended and everything looks just right. Last but not least, take the time to test it out yourself. Complete the form as if you were a respondent to catch any quirks or areas needing adjustment. This hands-on testing not only helps verify the user experience, but also reassures you that all sections and questions are functioning as expected. By following these steps, you'll effectively add page breaks to your Google form, making it well-organized, user-friendly, and professional. Happy form building, and thanks for tuning in to learn with us today.